Hello, in this video, we'll show you how to use the BIMLOGIQ public command place penetrations for cable trays. This command automatically places penetration family instances where cable trays intersect with walls and floors. First, select the cable trays where penetrations will be placed. Use the Cable Trays Select option to pick the relevant trays in your model. If your target walls or floors are located in a linked architectural model, you can include them by using the Link File option. Now, define the target elements for the penetrations. Use the Target Elements option to choose walls, floors, or both. Choose the family type that will be used as the penetration. This family will be placed at the intersection points. Select the penetration direction as defined in the family editor. This determines how the family is aligned with the host element. To ensure accurate sizing, enter the names of the width, height, and thickness parameters from your penetration family. The command uses these to control instance dimensions. We can see the required parameter names in the properties of our family type. If you'd like to allow some installation tolerance, enter a value in the gap field. This adds clearance around the cable tray. We will skip this for now and go over it later with an example. Once everything is configured, click the Run button. The command will detect intersections and place the penetration family instances automatically. Here we can see our penetrations in the 3D view. Now let's try another example. Since we already know the procedure, let's speed things up. Now, we've reached the part we skipped earlier. To minimize overlapping penetrations and create a cleaner model, enable the Merge Penetrations option. Set the maximum distance between penetrations that can be merged by entering a value in the Merge Tolerance field. Once everything is configured, click the Run button. The command will detect intersections and place the penetration family instances automatically. Here we can see our penetrations in the 3D view. Our small penetrations have been merged into a single larger one. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with BIMLOGIQ.